Okay, so we're on to grade 10 mathematics, and we'll be looking at segments, and that will help us stretch out to other. Now, we said that every time you have, this is a circle, we know that the circumference is equal to what? 2 pi r. Area is equal to what? Pi r squared. You may want to take note of this because I'm going to be very, very, very fast in doing a callback. Now, these are for the circle. Now, what happens when you have a sector? For a sector, for this sector, you can have major or minor, but the narrative still remains the same. Whether the sector is minor or is major, the narrative still remains the same. It will be theta, so length of arc. That's the first thing you want to talk about when you're talking about the sector. Length of arc. The length of arc is this thing here. Either this for the minor sector or this for the major sector. So this is the major arc, and this is the minor arc. Every time you cut out a sector from a figure, you're either cutting out a major or a minor. So how do I know that the sector or the arc I'm dealing with is minor? It is minor if the angle at the center is less than 180. It is major if the angle at the center is greater than what? 180. All right. So the length of arc will be a portion of the circumference. The length of arc is a portion of the circumference. So what then is the perimeter of the sector? The perimeter of the sector is the length of arc, L arc, plus 2 radii. So practically that will be what? Theta over 360 times 2 pi r plus 2r. We can write it in terms of diameter, in terms of diameter, comma, we would have that the perimeter of sector will be theta over 360 times 5d plus d. So that's the perimeter of the sector. Remember, the perimeter of a sector involves coming from here, 1 radius rather, 2 radii, and this. So this is the area what we call the sector, and it is a plane figure. So the perimeter is the distance from it, and it's governed by 2 radii and what? A length of an arc. For minor, for major, the arc concern will be this, and the radii will still be these ones. All right. So having talked about that, the next thing we want to look at is segments. Okay, area. What is area? What is area of the sector? Area of the sector will be a portion of the area of the circle. So mathematically, a portion is denoted by theta over 360. So anytime you see theta over 360, you're talking about a portion of. Some of us, like I think it was on Sunday, I went to see right, and I was giving what people call it. Pizza, what do you call it? You know, there's something I like about it. It's a very nice way to teach mathematics, especially pie chart. You got it. That portion I got was a part of the bigger pie. And that portion I got was a sector. For the knowledge of geometry, you know that that's a sector. So that's what we're talking about here. So the area of the sector will be a portion of the area of the circle. That's clear enough. So that will be about 360 times what? Pi r squared. Good. Right. We now come to segments. Segments. What is a segment? A segment is an area of the circle that is governed by what? The length of arc and a chord. So the first idea we want to talk about there is a chord, or what we call the length of chord. The length of chord. Our mathematicians have a shortcut to this. As long as the center of the angle that sustains the chord, the arc or the sector is given, the length of chord is simply what? D sine what? Theta over 2. Where theta is the angle subtended at the center. D sine theta over 2. Please, this is not the same as this. So this is what I'm talking about, not this one. So please let's be very careful. It means divide the angle by 2 and then find the sine of it. Right. You can also say this is what? 2 arrow sine theta over 2. Why? Because we know that the diameter is what? 2 arrow, 2 times the radius. Right. So we are having a very nice time because we are going to work today. Make sure also in this class, make sure you're copying this because after now, you'll be seeing lots of questions to keep you chilled, entertained, and relaxed. Right, so the next one will now be the area. Area of a segment. Okay, we'll have the area first. Let's talk about the perimeter. Perimeter of a segment. What is a perimeter of a segment? A segment is bounded by a chord and a minor arc if it's a minor segment, and then a chord and a major arc if it's a major segment. So we will say the perimeter of a segment is what? Length of chord plus length of arc. All right. So this invariably becomes what? Theta over 360. Oh, sorry about that. Length of chord is what? 2 arrow sine theta over 2 plus length of arc is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. All right. So that settles that. That settles that. Now, what then is the area of the sector? Segment rather. Let's pause a while. Let's draw another circle on the board. Now, look at this very well. Now, take note of this diagram. This diagram is working because theta is less than 180, so you have to be very, very careful. Now, if you are told to find the area of a minor segment, the area of a minor segment will be the area of this sector. Look at it, there's a sector here. This is arrow, this is arrow. Will be the area of the sector, which is a portion of the circle minus the area of this triangle. What area of this triangle is half? Half what? Arrow squared sine theta. Half arrow squared sine theta. So the area of this figure will be, this area will be what? Half will be the area of the sector here, minus the area of this triangle. Look at it. If I count this triangle, I'm going to get this sector. So area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, I see that area of sector minus area of triangle. So that's what this one is going to be. I see that. Now, but if you were giving, because I'm going to be very careful when I'm talking here, because the question, when we start solving practical questions, you will now know how to make more informed decision. Now look at this. The area of major segments. If you are going to look for a major segment with this same diagram arrangement, the major segment will now be this. You discover that it's going to be area of major sector plus area of triangle. Now, what's the area of the major sector? If this is theta, the angle of the major sector will now be what? Theta 360 minus what? Theta. So this will be 360 minus theta over 360 times pi r squared plus the area of the triangle will still be using this theta. That will be half r squared sine theta. Now, if you do not get what we're doing here, don't panic. Because when we start solving questions, the idea will settle out. So we will start our practice work now. 12D, question 11 and question 12. Exercise 12D, question 11 and question 12. Question 11. Exercise 12D. A sector of a circle has an area of 455. So the area of the sector is 55 centimeters squared. The radius R is equal to 10. We are told to find the angle of the sector. The angle of the sector is the angle which subtends at the center or subtends. So theta is not known. So remember that area of sector is equal to 360 theta over 360 times pi r squared. You've been taught change your subject formula. This thing is a connection. Sometimes when students tell me, I can't answer this question, the first thing I try to figure out is it that you can't answer the question or you didn't pay attention to other topics? You don't learn any topic in isolation. It's a network. Ideas work in a network. So this will now be what? 360 AS equal to what? Pi r squared theta. So we're trying to make theta the subject of the formula. So what we're going to have for here will be theta being equal to 360 AS over what? Pi r squared. That will be 360 times 55 over 22 over 7 times what is the radius? The radius is 10. 10 multiplied twice. This will go with this. 11 here will give me 2. 11 here will give me 5. 5 here will give me 1. 5 here will give me 2. 2 here will give me 18. 2 here will give me 1. 2 will give me 1. 2 will give me 9. Now, watch this number. This is a denominator of a denominator. A denominator of a denominator is essentially a numerator. So this becomes what? 9 times 7, and that is what? 63 degrees. 9 times 7 will give you what? 63 degrees. So that question, the angle at the center is what? 63 degrees. Every average student at this level should be able to handle this because that's not something I will be teaching you at this level. All right, so please let's get that right. So the next question, question 12, says calculate the area of the shaded segment in figure 12.47. So let's try to draw the shaded segments. Question 12. What 20 degrees? This is 3, this is 3. Now, from what we have in the shade is the minor segment. So the area of segment will be equal to area of sector. So the area of the sector is what? 120 over 360 times pi, 22 over 7 times. We're saying in terms of pi, so times pi times what is the radius? The radius is what? 3 squared minus what's the area of this triangle to be half? Half times 3 squared sine 120 degrees. So this will give me 3, and this will be 3 minus 9 over 2 times sine 120 is same thing as sine 60. We have done that. You need to recall your trig ratios now that for the second quadrant is 180 minus theta. You see again, they are drawing from previous knowledge. So this will be 3 minus 9 over 2. What is sine 60 degrees? 60 degrees is the standard angle without the root 3 over 2. Here again, drawing from previous knowledge. So this will be 3 minus 3 pi, sorry, this is 3 pi. 3 pi minus what? 9 root 3 over 4. That's the final answer to this question. In what? Centimeter squared. That's the area of the segment according to the question.